Wacha. Leave. You leave.
Chucky, I'm the head of operations Uganda Railways Corporation. Okay, this morning at about 7:30, our commuter train was approaching the Chireka level crossing. Unfortunately, it rammed into a UPDF patrol vehicle. And what exactly happened is our level crossing guard stopped the rest of the vehicles. But an unfortunate incident happened that this patrol vehicle did not stop, and it knocked our train. And after knocking our train, it disabled the movement of the train. So exactly that's what happened. Yes, we have had some serious injuries on the occupants of the patrol vehicle, but we do not have any injuries on the commuters, and we do not have any injuries with our staff. This is a train that had set off in the morning from Namamve going to Kampala, carrying commuter. Normal commuter train that really passes here at about 7:30. So we had 5 coaches. So we had about almost 700 people on board. What is going on now? We are trying to open the level crossing by first of all allowing the locomotive to get back online, and then it will be pulled off. Once it's pulled off, we shall do some engineering works, and then the train will also leave. Yeah. And then what will follow, we shall do detailed accident investigation, and the report will be published. Yeah. Like what I explained is every time we reach a level crossing, we hoot several times. And every city or town level crossing, we have level crossing guards. And we have level crossing barriers. What happened is when this train was approaching the level crossing on an up gradient, the driver of the train hooted several times, as recommended in our operating rules. And the level crossing guard lowered the level crossing boom, but also he raised the flag. And after raising the level crossing flag, the rest of the vehicles stopped. But unfortunately, I need to get the detailed investigation. This vehicle did not stop for any reason. I need to find out, and it rammed into our train.
Mibonanga tusikambula mukasera kakavuya akakanyamberege akazibwe nnyo tusika ebintu ebyo n'amaanyi n'obuvumu kate tutidde kufa wabula nga tutya tufuba kulaba nga tutaasa bali abakolaki abali mu buzibu era tufubye okulaba nga tujjayo n'ag'omu buto naye tubajjayo. Ekyo kigulaida wekizze ne kituyambako ne kipushinga egundi eno ekipushinze egundi eno tusika okugulu kuno okubadde kuwangamidde mu bigundi wansi tukisikayo bwe tuti tukisiseeyo wetusiseeyo okugulu okusooka ne kuvaayo kati era waliwo ekyayi kibadde kikutte wagulaida kana akatono wetubadde ne tusala ne tusaze kintu ekyo ne tukijjayo wansi eri amagulu gonna ne gavaayo oyo abadde awamagamiddire ennyo amagulu gano nga baganyize naye n'avaayo bwekyo bwe kibadde.
Tofa femu ku basajja abakute abasajja babadde muno abasirikale abamagye babadde bagamidde muri munda muri mu byuma mu wikisikayo tubadde tukozesa n'amaanyi mangi nnyo okola tusinzise nnyo bintu ebingi naye nga basose kuta abantu eri bagambe basose kuta abantu neffe tekifuddeeko nga tutaasa bulamu bwabwe bw'abasajja babadde omwo badde basirikale babiri naye ebyuma bibadde bigumu nnyo abasirikale abamu ebimu bibasaze kuno ffenaffe ne bitusala engalo zino zonna noziraba zonna omusirikale yansibye abasinga bonna abavubuka bonna twaliwulira musirikale n'omu abaddewo n'ogwo ffeffeka abantu ababaddewo ffekka abantu ababulijjo ennyondo zonna nga ffe tuzikozesa buli kimu nga byaffe naye omusirikale mugambe nze njagala kututimenti atandise kukola ki tukuba migga ate tukubagana nabo misinde ate ng'ebintu bitusalidde eri mugamba omusayi guno gumpitamu agamba bugambi nti igwawe ze sibitegeere ffe tutaasa bulamu nga banyigiddwa munda waliwo awo wennyini jjukira kali ka pavement kanyigirwamu ddala muli eri biri ebyuma bikutte biri ebyuma by'amagye bigumu baba ntidde leero byabadde bikwatidde muli nga bimuzize bulungi bonna bali muli eri ng'akwata nako oli n'akwata munne mu bulago bw'ati ng'alaba akola ki agenda ne tumukwata mu bulago ne tumugamba kakana ono wagenda nga wano wanyiga eno byuma bimusala jukira bibadde tusala busazi guli omuliro gwokya bwano bimusaze eno yonna tumusise yena nga awulira akola ki akaaba ng'omwana omuto badde manyi tebakaaba badde manyi tebakaaba akaabidde omwo n'akaaba n'engamba agenda ne tumukakkanye ne tuleeta empewo tuwujja naye nga emikono gyonna gikola ki fe tuyika musaayi naye nga musaayi gwabwe gwabwe yenze Kato Christopher nze ndi wano wakireka Central ate ekolera wano naye batuyita bayaaye
kibadde kubanga accident eno ebaddewo ssaawa emu ey'okumakya kubanga owagundi agenza okukwata akawero okubeera nga abayimiriza bo baze buleesi balese buleesi kati ate kyetamanyi feeri bakozedde obuzibu bweyogerere obuzibu bwebakozeeyo awo kati mu kubayimiriza wano ne bakola ki ne bagaana yimirira kati ne tumanya kino ti bodaboda kuba wali ne bodaboda ezibadde zikola ki ezibagoba so ne batuuse wano ne bafuna obuzibu obwo n'ababodaboda nabo ne bakola ki ne badda emabega awo ekibadde kubadde babajjayo naye era n'akatanda kali akawaggulu abasirikale gye batuula emabega bafe nyini fa abakasukumye ne kansalako wano olugalo ate bajje naye ng'era ono abadde driver ye ate abadde bubi nnyo nga yasingidde okulumizibwa okusinga kwani ku stranger ye kaleko talinako obusago byafunye naye driver yafunye obuzibu ate n'abasirikale bandibadde bakola ki bakakkanya ku busungu kuba si yefe abalese akabenje kati basanzeyo fe abantu ab'obulijjo ate ne batandika otugoba mbu ate simanyi muveewo naye ate fe abasoose okujja okubataasa ate batufuula obuki obuzibu gye tuli fe basi yefe abalese akabenje gavumenti eno mbadde ngisaba ekuume obusungu bwayo omuntu aba awanise fulaga lwerwe bwati n'awanika aba ategeeza kuyimirira siso kujja sipiidi wagisa wansi bwati aba agamba nti kati mukole eki muyiteewo lyeteeka lya lwerwe.
Support and for your service. I want to narrate you how this accident occurred. This guy is the military truck van was coming from the other side. After knocking the boda man who was carrying a passenger, and I hear the boda man has died on spot. And then the lady who was carrying is in the hospital. So I think they came at a high speed, whereby they had not seen the train coming. And then since they had knocked the boda man, they were either trying to rush and maybe park aside. So they just came and collided with with the train. When the train the train could not stop due to the speed. So what's rescued these guys' lives is the balcony, that structure which is the other side of the railway. That after knocking them, it was rolling them, pulling them off. But it was of an advantage that the other structure was there, that the van got stuck there. Had it been that, then it would have pulled them and maybe they would have lost their lives. So after the train stopping and them being crushed there, it was of a good luck that people came in. We decided to first of all break off the van board. Then we were trying to get those guys. But the challenge that we faced was on the equipments. And then there was no cooperation between us plus the security officers. In that, even the people who were trying to help to rescue these guys, like the officers' lives, they were again trying to beat the people who were trying to rescue their lives. That's the challenge number one we faced. Challenge number two that we faced was cooperation and then tools. These guys who were trying to pull these guys off, we didn't have equipment that could really help us. Cutting the metals and so on of the van. That's the challenge that we faced highly. But it was of a good enough. These guys of Red Cross came in, and then this fire brigade, they came in, they tried to bring some equipment, though it wasn't all that early enough, but at least the most important thing, we managed to rescue the life. of the two individuals. Now, the two individuals, what I can say about them, because they were two in the truck, the van, the driver is the one who is mostly injured. In that these officers who have got an accident, by the name that I managed to crime was called Dimaru something, Dimaru, one of the officers, and he was the driver. Because I got the name tag from his jacket and I handed it to a certain officer. But for him, he's the one who is badly injured. In that, his leg was entered down to the dashboard, and then it was penetrating through the under the train. So it got cut. It's totally cut, broken. This joint is totally broken from here. But then, even since they were trying to pull off the steering wheel, it pierced him somewhere here. So he has some injury here. But the main injury, serious injury that he has, is the cut that he has on his limb. Then the colleague, I think he's not all that broken, but he's just, I think, injured. So for him, he's not so much injured. I conclude this by appreciating everyone who has managed to rescue these people's lives, that we pray for the better. From the first side, the train was coming. This guy, the truck, the military van was coming from the other side. It was going this side, taking this side of Umbuya. But I think due to that rush and border man, they collided with the border man. They collided with the border man, and the border man got an accident. He got, actually, I hear he has died on spot. He died on spot. That's the border man who died on spot, and he was having a passenger behind him that happens to be a lady, and the lady is terribly injured. I hear she has been taken to the hospital. So after the military van colliding with the train, after, I think they were in a rush, they were in a speed, they could not stop immediately. So after knocking the border man, the train, they had not seen the train coming. I think they didn't hear the hood of that train, so they just collided in the train. And there's that block which is there that managed to stop it, to stop the vehicle the van from being pulled. That's how it happened. Yeah.